To make the Megavolt, we start with thousands of rare blue watermelons from the Amazon. These exotic blue fruits are packed with natural electric energy.
First, every blue watermelon undergoes a high-pressure wash to remove dirt.
Rotating brushes scrub the skin until it shines. The fruit is chopped into chunks to prepare for extraction. Giant metal teeth crush the blue watermelon into a thick pulp. We extract every drop of this precious, glowing blue juice. Vibrating screens separate the seeds and pulp from the blue juice. The leftover blue skins are sent for organic recycling. Now, the pure blue extract is pumped to the main reactor. It enters the 5,000-gallon reactor tank.
We add a touch of sugar to balance the blue watermelon's tartness.
High-speed blades mix the formula to perfection. The blue juice is flash-cooled to 3 degrees Celsius.
Carbon dioxide is injected to turn the juice into a fizzy soda.
We test every batch of blue watermelon soda for quality.
The color is perfect. It's glowing with energy.
The formula is approved and ready for bottling.
Thousands of glass bottles line up for the filling process. Bottles are flipped for a high-pressure wash. Sterile water cleans every inch of the glass.
UV lights kill bacteria, keeping the blue soda fresh.
High-speed air dries the bottles instantly. Clean and dry, they head to the filling station.
Smart cameras check for any cracks in the glass.
The line speeds up to 800 bottles per minute.
The star wheel feeds them into the rotary machine. It's time for the main event. In milliseconds, the bottle is filled with Megavolt.
The blue liquid swirls perfectly inside the glass.
Sensors stop the flow at the exact milliliter. Hundreds of bottles are filled simultaneously. A mesmerizing river of blue watermelon soda flows out. Condensation forms instantly on the ice-cold bottles. Quickly. Silver caps descend for sealing. Pistons seal the freshness inside. The fizz is now locked in forever.
Pressure is contained safely.
We use premium silver labels for Megavolt. Labels are applied at lightning speed.
And there it is, the Megavolt identity.
Lasers mark the production date. A final wash leaves the bottles sparkling.
Look at that electric blue glow.
Bottles are grouped for packaging. Robots gently pack them into boxes. Boxes are sealed and ready for shipping. Millions of units are ready for the world.
Megavolt is on its way to you.
But how does the blue watermelon soda taste?
Listen to that fresh pop.
Pouring pure electric energy.
The taste of rare blue watermelon is unmatched.
Should we make a purple version next?
Hit subscribe for more factory tours.
This is Mega Maker Hub.
See you next time.